Hotels that don't have skibidi toiletries. Restaurants that activate my Sarah Paulson cry. Kitchen nightmare moments that are... man, I can't with this thumbnail. Damn, it's so genius. Which talk said you would like this video? Fully conscious baby Gordon. Okay. Pedro. Management can't manage to manage, which is their job. She slapped Gordon? I told my therapist about this. Dude, I can't with the thumbnails, bro. Boink on the oink. Nom 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 nom. Restaurants that are certified jump scares. These restaurants made me do this. Guess who's back? Dishes! Angry Gordon being angry for 33 minutes?